are looking at the most delicious thing in the world.
Yeah.
This is so good. And this place does it the best. Okay, baby, show us how it's done.
Well, here's why. See this? This is basically sugar water with chili and garlic. And the more sugar water you put on it, the better it is. A lot of places serve it with this sesame slime.
Which I love.
Which
I
is
think
pretty
what
good.
makes it so authentic, like Hawaii style. Yes,
Yeah.
please put it all over my plate.
But
Yes, more. Thank you. It gives it that creaminess. More, please, more. And one more. So good. And the secret is really to top it off with this beautiful sugar sauce. It's actually the summer solstice today. So we kind of need something super cool, like this gorgeous cheddar, which, by the way, comes complimentary. It's located just by the beautiful Perfume River. And then you get these complimentary chili, homemade chili, and garlic, fresh garlic, more garlic if you need, and
I eat it with these things. Banana peppers.
apparently you're a Hawaii citizen. Automatic Hawaii citizen status if you can
Eat one of these chilies.
eat one of these chilies.
Raw.
So David is in.
Okay. So you've got to mix your bowl up. You just got to mix it all together. And this is a bun bowl. So you can see the noodle. Bun means a particular type of noodle.
Vermicelli noodle.
Yeah, light rice noodle.
Can you pick a green mango? Can you find green mango?
Well,
I think that's papaya. Sometimes they also have strips of green mangoes. I am just such a huge fan of this beautiful, delicious sesame kind of sauce, but I think it also has a little bit of flavor of fermented tofu flavor, which just makes this dish so creamy and ooh, extra delectable. This restaurant really